What's so fun? I want to make a nightingale. First, take an old magazine. Then choose the colorful pages you like. Bingo! This one suits. Take it off. Now, use a pair of scissors to cut a square. Cut, 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 cut. Oh no, it doesn't much look like a square. Let me fold it up as a triangle. Again and again. Kick it up. It is a square now. See, it's perfect. Now let's start folding our nightingale. Put a square as a rhombus. Then fold it up as a triangle. This is the top. Put the triangle upside down. The flap is at the bottom. Take one flap and fold up like this. Let's turn the paper and fold another triangle like this. See, the beak of the nightingale is on the left and the top is the wing. Now put it upside down again. The bottom is the wing. Fold up the wing. Do the same on the other side. Remember to crease the folding line. After that, we need to do something on the beak of the nightingale. Take a pen or marker and draw eyes on both sides of the beak. The nightingale is alive. It can fly. Fly. Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh no! Can you see a shadow on the right? What's that? A cat! A big fat light brown fluffy cat! Oh stop!